In this video, you'll learn how to open and use the Superdome window in NinjaTrader for order entry and modification. I'll demonstrate how you can open a new Superdome and select a trading instrument, discuss the columns of the price ladder display, use order entry quick buttons, and submit limit, stop market, and stop limit orders. To open a new Superdome window, select New, then Superdome from the NinjaTrader Control Center. You may see a few options here. If so, both windows will provide all the functionality I'll be discussing in this video. It's important to first select an instrument within the Superdome. Use the instrument drop-down or lookup window to add a trading instrument. I'll load the E-mini S&P 500 or ES from the pre-configured futures instrument list. Now you can see data flowing into my Superdome. Next, it's important to understand the columns of the Superdome. This layout is referred to as a price ladder. Each rung of the ladder is one tick in price for a specified instrument. You'll see the prices listed in the middle column and some numbers on both the buy and sell columns. Those numbers are referred to as market depth. Market depth represents the number of contracts waiting to be traded on either side of the market, so you can see where there's significant buying or selling pressure by looking at these numbers. Additionally, the buy and sell columns of the price ladder function as order entry buttons. I'll cover this in detail in a moment. There are two buttons located at the bottom of the Superdome that say Market. These buttons allow you to place buy or sell market orders. If I click the button from the buy column, I've submitted a buy market order. I can then click the Close button to close out of this position at market price, as well as cancel any pending orders. When I click Close, you can see I've exited the market. There is also a quantity option I can use if I'd like to increase the number of contracts I'd like to trade. I can either type here or use the quantity pad or arrows to control quantity. Now I'll show you how to use the buy and sell columns to submit orders at specific price points with the Superdome. You can place limit orders by left-clicking in the buy or sell columns. If I left-click in the buy column below the market, you can see I've placed a limit order. I can also do this quickly on the sell side above the market. If I'd like to place stop orders, I can do so with my middle mouse button. Middle mouse clicking above the market on the buy side or below the market on the sell side will submit a stop limit order. If I'd like to use a stop market order rather than a stop limit order, I'll simply hold the control key on my keyboard while middle mouse clicking. So for limit orders, you'll use a left mouse click. For stop limit orders, middle mouse click. And for stop market orders, hold the control key and use a middle mouse click. Additionally, you can submit a market if touched order by holding the control key and left mouse clicking. Some traders prefer to use market if touched orders rather than limit orders at times. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more of our videos for quick tips to get you started with NinjaTrader.